The circulatory and respiratory systems work together to bring oxygen from the air we breathe to cells everywhere in the body. To accomplish this, the circulatory system has two loops, or networks of blood vessels, pulmonary and systemic. Let's use Visible Body's 3D models and simulations to explore these two types of circulation. We'll open up the interactive beating heart model to see how the heart pumps blood through both the pulmonary and systemic loops. The arrows here show deoxygenated blood from the body entering the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. Then, this blood moves to the right ventricle, where it is pumped out of the heart to the pulmonary arteries through the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs, where gas exchange takes place. We'll use the gas exchange animation for a brief overview of that process. In the capillaries surrounding the alveoli of the lungs, inhaled oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide moves out of the bloodstream to be exhaled. Now back to the heart. Oxygenated blood enters the heart's left atrium through the pulmonary veins. It moves to the left ventricle and is then pumped out to the body through the aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. It carries oxygenated blood from the heart that goes out to the network of arteries in the systemic loop. Arteries can be added layer by layer to any gross anatomy view in Visible Body Suite via the Systems tray. From the arteries, blood passes into arterioles and capillaries, where oxygen can then reach the body's tissues, and waste and carbon dioxide can be absorbed into the bloodstream. From the capillaries, deoxygenated blood passes through venules and into the veins, which carry blood back to the heart. Ultimately, all deoxygenated blood from the body ends up flowing back to the heart through the superior vena cava or inferior vena cava. Just like with the arteries, you can add and remove veins from any gross anatomy 3D view using the Systems tray. And those are the basics of pulmonary and systemic circulation. To learn more about the circulatory system and the respiratory system, check out Visible Body Suite at visiblebody.com/VBSuite.